ng insidente at ng aksidenteng ito?
Naging mas responsible ako. Kaya yung mga unnecessary things, talagang binawasan ko na yung mga pag-imik-imik. I spend more time with my family.
Nasaan ka ngayon sa buhay mo?
Stable na ako as of now. Diba? I'm grateful for the things that I have while working for the things that I want. Yung magkaroon ng magandang career, diba? As I win Mr. National Universe Philippines. Diba? Gusto kong dumating yung time na ako magpo-provide sa family ko.
Yan ang pangarap.
Yes.
Sa isang araw, ikaw naman ang mag-provide sa family. Okay, sinabi mo yung Mr. International. You just won Mr. International National Universe Philippines. Kailan nag-umpisa yung karera sa pageantry?
Actually, Tito Boy, it started a decade ago.
Oh,
Back when I was grade 7. Yun, so pagpasok ko ng school na yun, nagkaroon sila ng search for Mr. and Miss St. Thomas Academy. So, sumali ako that time.
what were the lessons that you learned in that